Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. I am going to do a quickie pour. Again, I say that a lot and I end up taking a while, but really this time for realsies, we're gonna do a quick pour. We're gonna use up some paint. This is from our last pick a paint pour project, which was to pour over this French fry deli basket. We have some leftovers and I propose we layer a cup and do a pour and use up the paint. So that's what we're going to do. These are all Arteza tube paints, mixed 2-to-1 Floetrol to paint. I'm not sure I remember all the colors. One of these reds is Rose Madder, I think it's that one. This is Carmine, Pearl Lilac, Pearl Rose Quartz, Mauve Pale, Mid Green, and Pearl Amaranth Red, which is actually sort of a pearl peach. Very pretty colors. I got rid of the baby poop brown. We used that up last time, which is fine. So here we go. Oh, 8x10 canvas from Michaels. All right, here's our pour. To rest it somewhere when there's, there we go, maybe that corner. Okay, we got plenty of paint, that's no problem. I propose a wreck-a-ring. What do you think? Should we do a comb over or no, we'll just do a wreck-a-ring. That looks good. And now we tilt. It still ended up being a little Christmassy, but I like it. It's pretty. Wanted to save some of the purples. That's okay. I like that. Again, maybe some embellishments come Christmas time and it'll be a really good Christmas present for somebody. Alrighty, let's go in for a close-up. Lower left corner, up the left-hand side. Pretty lines. Upper left corner, across the top. Upper right corner. Down the right side. And the lower right corner. Very pretty. All right, let's get the whole thing in frame, get it focused. There you have it, folks. A quick record pour. Thanks, everybody. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.